1 second when I wake up to your scent. I'm in a press, you know. Slow down when I catch your vibe. I'm losing composure, yeah. What's thinking you and me should slide. Say less, ma. That body is extortional. Take my money, but use discretional. Credit card splurging on you and give you what you want. Say less, ma. Anything you want just to prove my love. Say less, ma. I ain't tryna be annoying, but your energy got me going. I'm what you need, I know it. Just kicking back with some Modelo. I'm staring at the function, my body won't function. That body so disproportionate. Come closer, let me tell you something. Tell me what's next. Girl, it's you that I can't resist. Give me 1 second when I wake up to your scent. I'm in a press, you know. Slow down when I catch your vibe. I'm losing composure, yeah. What's thinking you and me should stop.
What's up, guys? Jason here. Day 3 in Cabo. Is it day 3? Yeah. Day 3 in Cabo. So the first 2 days we kind of want to just like chill and relax. We're like super tired. It's been a crazy like past couple weeks for us. Valeria's been crazy busy. I've been crazy busy at the shop. So we wanted to take the first 2 days to chill by the pool. We got in around like 2 on Monday, and we got to the hotel, which is beautiful. Hard Rock. We stayed at the Hard Rock in Los Cabos. So yeah, we got here around 2, came up to the room. We had this beautiful view. I don't know if y'all can see it. Oh yeah. And the room is amazing. I'm sure we'll do a tour later. But we went to eat at the cafe down there. I got a couple drinks, and then we just came to the room and just chilled. Went to dinner, had some reservations, and then we just slept all day. The next day, we got up early, went to the pool, and I got burnt already. I'm literally like red first day in. But today is the excursion day. We're gonna be going on a luxury day sailing excursion.
I hope it's nice.
Not sure what that is, but I think when I read it and booked it, it was like you go paddle boarding at the bay, go snorkeling, it's free food, all you can drink. It's gonna be lit. And then we go to the Ark to see the Ark. So yeah, Valeria's getting ready. She told me to vlog. Oh, there she is back there. So we'll take you around town and we'll try to do as much vlogging as we can, and we'll see you guys later. We just touched down in the marina in Cabo, and we're waiting for our Larry's mad because I'm stressing out. I forgot my wallet and cash, and she's having a heart attack.
Irresponsible.
I just wasn't thinking this morning. You know, I got so excited to go luxury sailing. I just forgot it. It is what it is.
That could be me, but you're playing.
Well, she wants to go ride camels, but you know, Papa broke. We're just sitting here waiting for them to pick us up to go, and we gonna get lit. Drink a couple tequila shots to calm my nerves.
You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We can 106 and park. You be my rock, I be your big tigger. I'm tryna show you off. I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch ya. Tell them they can tune in. Show you how we do this. I put all love on a billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. I gotta jump out of a window.
Hello guys, we survived the sailing. We have to sit down and tell you guys how stressful that was and how we're never gonna do it again.
I would do it again.
You will not do it again. You like gave up on me.
I just need to get. I need to get food before I go. We haven't ate all day. You know that, right?
I just did my hair and it's all fucked
guacamole.
Yeah. So sailing was an experience. I think I'm good. I don't think I want to do it again, but we're just now having dinner. I don't know why my lashes look so good on camera.
Ay, bendito, I didn't see this.
But then in person it looks kind of weird.
Aquí.
We are eating Italian tonight. It is not our last day. Tomorrow's the last day here at the Hard Rock, and then we're gonna go to another hotel. But yeah, we're gonna eat Italian tonight. We're gonna go bowling, and there's a party here somewhere, right?
Huh?
He's ignoring me. He's hungry. Stay tuned. I couldn't perform to my best abilities, but you know what? That's all good. Congratulations.
Anytime. You need an asshole. I got you.
Hello guys, it's us. Jason had no faith in me that I was gonna get ready enough. Do we have enough time to watch sunset? But look at me, hair slicked back, makeup's done, outfits, ready to watch sunset.
Billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops.
So we're on our way to the spa. We have a spa day today. Couples massage. Oh my gosh. Low-key don't like really rough massages.
Loki, I like it rough.
I know you do.
I don't know where we're going.
Let me talk to you later because it's really loud.
We're going through a lot of people right now. Hold on. Hello guys, the sun is super bright, but we just left our couples massage. Anyways, it was amazing, super relaxing. I feel like 10 pounds lighter as well. So now we're just going to, well, it's really great. Go to the pool, hang out the rest of the day there, and yeah, just chill. Jason is in the worst mood possible.
Never.
Yeah, you are.
Never.
You got a massage and you cranky all of a sudden. Okay guys, our time is up at the Hard Rock. We're about to go on our next adventure for 2 days, going to the JW Marriott. JW Marriott. Also, I've been super stressed out, but I'm okay. We just launched the Dream collab.
Besitos.
Besitos y abrazos y besitos.
Abrazos.
We are so thankful for you guys for all the support. Because you guys will see this after, obviously, and we hope that it sells out.
Yes, y'all
Maybe in one day. If not, then it's fine. But that's the goal, so we can make more for you guys. So we'll see you guys at the next resort.
Your friends want you every time I call. I know, you know, I've done nothing wrong. You can't help but try to write me off. You won't let me have it all. But I want to show you I want you, 'cause I can feel you hesitate. And I want to show you I want you, and I can feel that you're afraid. You've been trying to guess what I'm trying to do. You intentionally. I got a reputation, but you made me want to change it. Yeah, you make me want to prove it. You make me want to prove it.
You guys, Jason was right. This hotel is me. Like, it doesn't get more gorgeous than this. Look at this. I want to see one more day, like an extra day. We were staying here 2 nights, but this is so beautiful. I cannot wait to walk around. The aesthetic of everything is just so great. It's quiet, very like solitary. There's pampas grass over there where you can walk around and take pictures in. Amazing.
You make me want to prove it. 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 You make me want to prove. I want to show you I want you, but I can feel you hesitate.
Okay guys, we just back to the room from the pool. And Maria gave us a bottle, so we are very thankful for them. I have the shower running. Jason literally forced me out of here. Oh, it's a boomer. You want a boomer or a video?
Oh, video.
Sorry guys, I'm doing 2 things at once. Oh, yeah. Hey guys, we got it. Let me see what it looks like. Hey. Why did I do that? Oh. Hey. Why do I sound like an idiot? Little proof. I was about to shop in the shower. What? Jump in the shower.
Show you
okay,
I want you, but I can feel you hesitate. I want to show you I want you, but I can feel that you're afraid. Oh, you've been trying to guess what I'm trying to do. You question my intention. I got a reputation, but you made me want to change it.
Bro, you look creepy as hell.
Make me want to prove it.
Damn, that shit's bright. You know, jacuzzi vibes. Chillin' pod. We about to get kicked out.
Stargazing at this. Bro,
no
all you see is 1 star. You see the bright stars. Oh, you're getting them.
No way.
Yeah, bro.
Hey. Bro.
You look faded as hell.
I can't believe I just spilled that whole champagne.
That was very funny. He's in the phone.
So?
If you think it's waterproof, then my hair. Why you look like you're wasted?
Because the bright ass light is in front of me. All right, let me get you.
Do what? I'm gonna do the champagne that I didn't spill.
Chug, 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 chug. Ah, you're whack.
I gotta swallow.
No, you don't. Chug, 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 chug. That was a weak chug, by the way. Well, sign off for tonight. We got one more night tomorrow.
The whole wine.
We got a whole night or a whole day ahead of us tomorrow. Signing off.
What to do tomorrow, though? Bro, there's literally this crab that's haunting us on the wall. So hopefully tomorrow we can get it on the vlog.
Should I go underwater or no?
I bet you won't.
No, I'm not.
Do it.
Hell no, you crazy. You gonna pay for my phone?
I'll buy a new one.
Papa ain't got no insurance.
It was only $50.
Papa ain't got no insurance. Her?
Yeah, I heard.
I ain't got no insurance.
How do I look, like Kim K?
Yeah, baby.
A little tease. Ooh.
A little roll moment.
A little tease.
Mama thick.
Ooh, a little tease.
Mama thick.
A little. Morning, guys. It is our last day in paradise. Oh, scare me.
Sorry.
We're gonna go get some coffee and just literally chill at the pool all day and relax.
That fierce look.
Huh?
The fierce look.
Okay guys, we made it to our seats today right on the ocean. I don't think we've ever had this kind of view. Okay guys, we're going to set up camp. They brought us an umbrella right here. We're seriously like so in front of the ocean. I don't think we've ever had a view like this ever. Like in any hotel, anywhere we've chilled. It's our last day. We're gonna try to make the best out of it. I feel like another day would have been perfect, but we gotta go home. But this has just been so great. I'm so happy that we were able to at least take you guys to a little bit of our trip. So now we got our coffees. We're gonna eat our breakfast. Oh, let's split it for us. Oh, you already eat it? You already eat your pastry?
A little bite.
You know what's really, really funny? I want to tell you what's funny. My man threw a fit that he didn't want to get the turkey croissant because it wasn't good. Now look at his shirt. There's literally crumbs everywhere. My man turned out. Oh, look at that beard. What happened? Jason was not good?
It was actually good. I just don't like croissant.
Girl.
Tanning these sexy legs. Look at those thighs. But yeah, our view is spectacular. My finger keeps trying to make a debut in the vlog. Sorry, wide angle probs. But you know, last day vibes. Chilling, catching a good tan.
Hello guys, I just went and got ready so that I could shoot some pictures around the resort because we didn't get to do it yesterday. And look, we're in this pampas field. So Jason's taking some footage for the vlog. I'm out of breath, but I cannot wait to shoot this. Oh, it's such a vibe. My hat's like all dirty, guys. I can't, like, this hat this is not like a summer vacation hat, but it's all I had. But yeah, can't wait to show you guys how these pictures turn out. Alright guys, so last sunset here in Los Cabos. It's been such a good time. We cannot wait to come back.
Oh hell no! Cut the tape.